I wanted to give you an updated review on the bird feeder that I bought. It has definitely served its purpose. There are a couple of minor flaws on it, but they're not deal breakers for me, just something that you can go ahead and know. Number one, when the plastic is sitting out in the sun, this gets extremely brittle and very easy to go ahead and crack. So eventually, I'm gonna have to go ahead and just get a different dish. And then this is super hard to go ahead and actually keep clean because they come in, they sit, they poop, and it gets all over the place. Now, I do have an extra little water feeder over there for them, so it works out really well. I have moved this already like 3 different occasions into different spots, and it has already started getting some rust, but honestly, I don't plan on actually trying to take this apart. It is in a really good place because I sit in that window, and so I can actually see the birds eating. I can see my squirrel feeding, and then I can see them drinking water. These arms right here that actually extend are not super far, so do not expect that you'll be able to put like a hanging plant here or anything like that for the butterflies or for the hummingbirds. It works well for hummingbird feeders, so that's great. But overall, I mean, I would say it's definitely served its purpose, and it's really great. Just be aware that this plastic is going to get brittle after a while of it sitting out in the sun. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.